Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the app language on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to change the language for the app, we need to go to the settings, there we need to scroll down until we find general management, and then let's go there. Over here we have the second option that is called app languages. We can go there. We should see the list of apps that support language selection. So of course not every app might be visible here, only those that can change the language. So let's say I'm gonna choose Spotify for this, and here now we can choose a new language that we want to use. So let's say I'm gonna choose French. And then let's choose France. And there we go. Now we have set a different language for this app, and let's check if this works. And there we go. We have the app in French, even though the system language is English. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!